How to use your smartphone as an Amazon Fire TV remote. Lost your Amazon Fire TV remote again? Fear not. You can download a free app for your iPhone or Android smartphone that will let you control the device remotely. Here's how. First, you'll need to download free the Amazon Fire TV app. If you have an iPhone or iPad, download it from the App Store. If you have an Android device, get the app from Google Play. Next, make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the Fire TV device you want to control. The app works through Wi-Fi, so there is no need for a direct line of sight operation like an IRTV remote. Once the app is downloaded, launch it, then sign into your Amazon.com account. The app will present you a list of nearby Fire TV devices you can control. Tap on the Fire TV device you'd like to control, and look at the TV hooked up to that device. It will display a 4-digit code to type into your Fire TV app so the two can link up. This security measure is so random people who happen to be on your Wi-Fi network won't be able to control your Fire TV. Once you're connected, you can swipe up, down, left, and right in the main touchpad-like area of the app to navigate as if you are pushing the up, down, left, and right buttons on the remote. Likewise, the back, home, hamburger, rewind, play, pause, and fast forward buttons all function the same as on a physical Fire TV remote. You can even search Alexa on your Fire TV using the app by pulling down on the microphone tab at the top of the screen and speaking into your device's microphone. The results will show up on the TV. If you'd prefer to search using text input, or if you ever need to enter a parental control passcode, tap on the keyboard button, and you'll be taken to a soft keyboard screen. Related, how to enable parental controls on the Fire TV and Fire TV Stick. You can use the Fire TV app to control multiple Fire TV devices from all over the house, wherever you have a local Wi-Fi connection, so you don't need to be very close to the TV set. That comes in handy if, say, you're cooking from the kitchen and putting a show on in the other room for your kids. Or, you can convince your neighbors that you have a haunted TV set. And, if you do find your Fire TV remote again, it's probably in the couch cushions. You can use both the app and the remote simultaneously if you want. Happy watching.